Hoover ONEPWR cordless vacuum to review the Canadian Tire.
Hey everyone, my name is Ruby. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, and I was actually sent this vacuum, the Hoover ONEPWR cordless vacuum. This is it right here. It's a pretty small vacuum. Works really great. It does work. I would probably recommend this for like really small apartments or condos, not for a big use in like a big home or anything, but it is very useful like for small jobs, like if you really want to clean up in the kitchen, because it does have multi-surface options. The battery is great as well. It lasts for about 3 days and does really well with suction. For me, it's convenient, but I probably would not recommend it for a larger home.